Greetings fellow Decepticons, Sandblaster1987 here, returning to the American side of Tokusatsu for a change with Ptera Charge Megazord from Power Rangers Dino Charge and Dino Super Charge from 2015. This is actually the Bandai America's shrunken, simplified version of, let me get this right, Zyuden Pteraiden-Oh from Kyoryuger, the Japanese version of Dino Super Charge, belonging to the Gold Ranger, Sir Ivan the Knight of Xandar in the American series. So, as you can see here, it is a big black and gold pterodactyl with a battery in its mouth. Hang on. Here we have the Pteranodon Dino Charger, which is basically a shrunken down, simplified and translucent version of the Pteranodon Zyudenchi from Kyoryuger. So if I press this button, it goes from fully charged to half charged to recharging mode to half recharged to full power again. And to insert it, just open the top half of the beak and the lower half, shove it all the way into the back of the throat, and when you do, twin cannons flip forward. I don't currently have the Dino Charge Megazord Tristego formation on hand with me to combine this guy. You'll have to wait till my feature review to see that, but rest assured this is quite a large individual mecha, even by Bandai America's current standards. So, for size comparison between an American and a Japanese robot, here is the Ptera Charge Zord with Build.io from Tokuger. Since Kyoryuger and Tokuger did team up in one of the movies or episodes or something, as you can see, the Ptera Charge Megazord's wingspan is more or less the length of the Build.io combination in its stacked train configuration. So, to transform the Ptera Charge Megazord, first split it in half like so. Then fold the wing pieces in like so and fold them down to become the arms. There's also a fold out landing strut here that could also be used to stabilise the Pteranodon mode. Much like the combination system for the Whale Bomber Zord from RPM with its way of connecting to the Lion Hauler Zord, but anyway, I digress. So, fold these pieces down like so. Oops, wrong way. Fold them down like so, and rotate 90 degrees. Flip these pieces up to become the feet. Despite the moulding, these knees did not actually move, so apologies in advance for the lack of articulation of this figure. Splay out the claws and reconnect together like so. And here we have the Ptera Charge Megazord in its full combined configuration. You can unfold the cannons and then spring them forward again, then split the top head crest of the pterodactyl and open out the helmet. And here we have the Ptera Charge Megazord. If you have the Raptor, Parasaur, Ankylosaurus or Pachycephalosaurus Zords, or any of the other non-show toy exclusive Zords that they release, like the Ammonite Zord on hand, which I currently don't, you can fold up one or both of the wings to attach from here to these sockets under the wings. The main configuration for this is Power Raptor formation with the black and green Rangers, or Pteranodon Western as it was called in the Kyoryuger series. So, through articulation, 360-degree ratcheted shoulders plus in and out movement. You can unfold the wings as well as swords if you want to. Forward and back hip movement, outward hip movement. The toe tilts down for transformation but nothing else, and these claws can move to your liking. The official combination is to have the claws splayed outwards like so. So, for size comparison. And for size comparison between one American Megazord and two Japanese Sentai Mecha, here we have the Ptera Charge Megazord with Build-Oh and Diesel-Oh from Tokuja, since Kyoryuger and Tokuja did team up in one of the movies. So, that more or less concludes my, Ptera Charge Megazord review. I have been Soundblaster1987. Whoops. Join me next time when I return to the realm of Transformers with Transformers Animated Wreck-Gar, the Japanese version for Takara Tomy. Till then, till all are one, and may the power protect you, always.